Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to charge the JBL PartyBox 120 battery, step by step charging guide and indicator light tips. So to charge your JBL PartyBox Club 120, plug the supplied AC power cord into the speaker rear power input port and connect it to a wall outlet. A full charge takes approximately 3.5 hours. The speakers can be safely plugged while plugged into AC power. Step 1, Charging process. Locate the port. Open the protective splash proof cover on the bottom rear of the speaker to reveal the power input. Now plug in the cord and insert the supplied AC power cord into the input and connect the other end to the live wall outlet. Now monitor the charger. The battery indicator on the speaker will lights up to display charging status. Quick tips: fast charging. A 10-minute quick charge provide a extra 80 minutes of playtime. Play while charging. You can leave the speaker plugged in the wall while music is playing. The unit will even output slightly more sound when connected directly to the AC power. Next, battery replacement. The JBL PartyBox Plug Club 120 has a replaceable battery pack that you can swap out if you need longer continuous playtime. Simply pull the latch on the battery compartment to remove or swap it. Next, track battery health. Use the official JBL PartyBox app to monitor the state of charge, the SOC or state of health, SOH of your battery. Goodbye and thanks for watching.